Scott Holbrook, President, Secure Sling and Strap. We're out here doing a residential installation. See, we're right along the base of the mountains there. What we're doing is we're doing one of these hybrid installations. And you can see right here on top of the swamp cooler, there is our antenna. This is the stock antenna. What we like to do is run the stock antenna for a week or two, kind of understand what the surrounding conditions are like, and then we make a determination whether or not the router should stay in this location or if we should upgrade the antenna in order to increase our coverage. So there we are, sitting right on top right there. And then what we've done is we've threaded the wire inside, and you can kind of see that right here. Just follow the wire down. It's going in under the building, and then on the other side is where we're going to hook it in and set up our router. And so let's go to the other side and check that out.